Here at Tampa Bay Steel, we specialize in cutting customer specs. We cut plate, sheet, stainless, carbon, aluminum with lasers, plasma, oxyfuel, and waterjet. We also do bending and structural material with an angle line and saws. In the past, we used to program all our different machines in their own package. I had one guy that knew how to run burning, one guy that knew how to run laser, another guy that did the waterjet. Now with SigmaNEST, I can throw any program at anybody and have him program it for any machine.
SigmaNEST nests perfectly. It tries all different ways to rotate parts, where in the past I've had to move these parts manually. It comes up with a perfect nest every time. The software has been easy to use, easy to learn, much easier than other softwares.
Part of the reason we brought SigmaNEST in was future machine purchases. We didn't want to be narrowed down to one type of or one machine manufacturer that specializes in one software, so we wanted a software that was going to enable us to purchase machines from different manufacturers.
I would recommend SigmaNEST, especially to companies like ours that have multiple processes. It's very easy at the flip of a switch to go from one process to the other. I like the nesting capabilities in SigmaNEST. It gives me a more exact nest, so if we get the job, we have the exact cost.
I would personally recommend SigmaNEST to others if they were looking for an all-in-one package. We've had a very good run with it. The experience of working with the guys on the software side and also using the product, it's making my job a lot easier.